Tired of those monthly MetaQuest Plus charges? Let's get that subscription canceled in under 90 seconds. First, grab your phone and open the MetaQuest app. Now tap the menu icon, typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see Settings and give that a tap. In the Settings menu, find and select Subscriptions. Here, you should see MetaQuest Plus. Tap on it if you don't see MetaQuest Plus here. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it through the website in just a sec. You should now see the option Cancel Subscription selected. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. They might ask you for a reason. Just choose whatever applies best to you. Alright, now if you didn't see MetaQuest Plus in the app, head over to Metacom on your computer or phone and log into your account. Look for your profile icon or an account menu, usually in the top right, and navigate to Account Settings. Within Account Settings, find and click the Subscriptions tab. You should see MetaQuest Plus listed here. Click Cancel Subscription and follow the instructions to confirm. You should get a confirmation message that your subscription is canceled. Congratulations! You've successfully ended your MetaQuest Plus subscription and avoided those future charges.